Hi everyone, welcome to today's Project Pan update. First update, because I started already in December. I'm gonna get straight into the products and show you my progress. I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. What's it called? Hydrating Core Lip Shine in the color Happy. My goal for this one was 15 uses. I managed to use it 11 times so far, so still a few to go. In terms of markings, I had like a paper. I wasn't able to do a new line because like the tallest part is still in the same spot. I feel like I'm using it like on the sides here, but in terms of overall length, it stays the same. I'm enjoying this one, so it's gonna stay in the project for at least, well, for 1 more month. I mean, I have 4 more uses, that's not gonna be a problem. And in terms of weight, it's all gonna be on the screen, but let me double check. It was 15.72 grams, and it is 15.62 grams, so exactly 0.1 gram difference. So I'm definitely making progress. Next one is the Glam Shop Coconut Eyeshadow, and that's this brown eyeshadow right here. My goal was 5 uses, and I thought it's going to be easy, but it's quite a dark shadow to be honest, and it's quite overwhelming. And I only used it 2 times, so it's still going to be in for at least 1 more month. I am making progress, but very little. The weight of it was 2.82 and now it's 2.78. So slight difference, and you can see I've actually used it. Next one up is my Golden Rose Strobing Highlighter Palette. My trio of highlighters that I've had forever. You will not be able to tell any difference, but in terms of weight it was 83.79 and it is now 83.66, and I had a goal of 25 uses and I used it 21 times, so a few more days and this will be done. Next one up is this Dear foundation in the shade 221N Ivory. My goal was 10 uses. I used it 4 times. I find it to be quite drying, definitely with the puff. So today I have it on, but I put on quite a bit of skincare underneath and I used my like normal makeup sponge to see if that makes it better. I think it does make it better, but still I feel like a tad too dark for me. So we're almost there, but not quite yet. In terms of weights, it was 91.25 and it is 90.12. So again, making progress. Then we have my Kylie lip liner in the shade 305 Harmony. This one I had a goal of 5 uses. I had to sharpen it once, so I hit that goal today. I have it on right now, and it was 7.62 grams and it is now 7.44 grams, and I was able to do a new marking right here. So we did do a little bit of progress, mainly I think due to the sharpening, but I had to because it was completely flat and now it's a bit more, yeah, I use a normal pencil sharpener, so I think it looks a bit weird, but there was definitely progress. I'm not really a lip liner person, but I'm glad I got to use some of it, and I'm going to be rolling this one out. Next one is my Eveline Brow and Go. It's a brow gel. I don't really like brow gel, but I have it. My goal is 15 times. I used it 13 including today, and in terms of weights it was 16.64. It is now 16.28. So making progress, and I started to track it because I can see where the line is. So a first line has been drawn and I will continue to use it. Then we have this Dermic Salt Special Warming Emulsion with brine, which I think I told you that wasn't really working. Well, it's working. It was burning my legs and my arms. A horrible feeling. I used way too much. I mean, you can see how much I've used. That was like 1 use. I'm thinking to declutter it. It is expired. I don't know if it's burning because it's expired or if it's supposed to burn like that. But I don't want to try it again. It's not happening. I used quite a bit for 1 use because it was 124.08 grams and now it is 114.39 grams. It's almost 10 grams of product I used, but I will be rolling this one out. I don't want to try it anymore. Next one is this L'Oreal Elseve 8-Second Wonder Water. I had this much left and I managed to use it, how many times? 6 uses and it was gone. And then in terms of weight, this was 104.46 and now just the packaging is 26.51. So this one is saying bye-bye. Then I have this perfume, like a knockoff perfume, but you can tell how much I used it. I had 99.2 gram and now I have 94.01. My goal is to use it up. I have used it so far 15 times exactly. So that's how much I used, 15 times. So this should be good. And then the last one that I think I have the least progress is this Ritual Sweet Jasmine hand cream. And here is my progress. I kind of forget about it, and like on the go I use other hand creams. So goal is to use it up. It's gonna take me a while. I've only used it 7 times, 8 times. So clearly very little per pump. In terms of weight, it was 100.35 grams. It is now 96.84 grams. So yeah, still a way to go. And now, for once I'll be rolling in. I'm gonna be rolling in this Joop body butter. I had it for a while in my collection. I have recently opened it to use it. That's how it is looking like today. The goal is gonna be to use it up. I don't know how long it's gonna take me, but like now the winter months are a good moment because it's a bit of a thicker formula. And we're starting at 163.8 grams for this one. And I'm curious how long it will take me to use this one up. And I want to roll in 2 makeup products, even though I only had 1 use up, but I think like maybe they're a bit more interesting. So we're gonna use my app to roll it in. Need to find the app. Okay, last time I know some of it wasn't in focus. I hope this time it will be. I'm gonna spin it twice. It's a MAC Velvet Teddy lipstick. It's probably the oldest lipstick I have in my collection. So I should probably check if it still is good. I'm gonna give myself 10 uses on this one. Yeah, that's gonna be my goal. I'm gonna show you in a sec the lipstick itself and spin again. The Glam Shop Icing Eyeshadow, is that the one that's here? Nope. Ha, it is. It is this eyeshadow that I will be panning, so I can right away show you how it looks. And I'm gonna be a bit more bold with this one, and I will say 15 uses on that one. But let me go grab my lipstick just so it is all complete. Okay, so my MAC lipstick in Velvet Teddy is looking like this. So I used a good amount of it. It is now on 19.7 grams, and like I said, 10 uses. And my eyeshadow, this one, shade Icing from Glam Shop, is on 2.59 grams, and I'm gonna use it 15 times. So I'm curious to see what kind of dent I can make with those 15 times. Alright, and that will be all for the update. I was working in the last daylight. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.